Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I did my girl's Keisha hands. I did some orange and glitter ombre, and yeah, so Keisha arrived for her appointment last week. No, I got this silicone hand from April Ryan, aka Red Iguana. I've been having my eye on a silicone hand for a long time. And as you can see, it has great detail. It looks like so real. And this is the underside. Like, oh my God, this is so creepy. But anyway, I settled on this hand because it is posable. I believe this is like the first silicone hand that I've seen that's actually like posable. Poochie's Nails, she sells a hand. She has a full hand that's $600 and then a half a hand that's $250, and like those are just out of my price range because I want like a full hand. So when I saw that April had these for sale, I was like, bet, like this was only $200, and yeah, that was like a steal. So I'm really glad that, you know, it's posable and I'm able to, you know, move the fingers around and be able to work with it and all of that good stuff. So as you can see, it does come with full cover nail tips already applied. And what April suggests is to act like this is the natural nail. So what I'm going to do, go ahead and clip these down. And I'm just going to shape up the free edge, and I have my Crystals LED lamp. You guys been with me, you guys know this one. But it's perfect to lay over it. It gives the perfect angle and stuff. So I went ahead and took away the shine from the nails as well. And for this look, I'll be using Long Hair Pretty Nails acrylics. I have Pixie Pink, Clear, White, and Rose Pink. I'll also be using this orange glitter, also available on my website. And I have this orange acrylic that I got from GearBest. All right, so I'm going to apply the nail form onto the finger. And I'm just gonna go in with a thin base of clear acrylic. I'm doing this because I'm just kind of used to doing a clear base of clear, but also because when I want to file down this design, I'm just gonna go ahead and file it back down to the clear base. So once I have my base down, I'm just gonna go in with the Pixie Pink, and I'm just forming the entire nail from this color. It's been a minute since I've done like someone else's nails, so this angle was a little weird for me. So this nail, like the application is gonna look a little weird, but I get the hang of it as I move on. So yeah, I'm super excited to have a realistic silicone hand to practice on, to kind of give myself a break from constantly changing out my own nails. So let me know what you guys think about, you know, nail tutorials with Keisha. And FYI, I was not sent the hand to review or anything like that. I bought this with my own money. Like I said, the silicone posable hand was $200, but she does have a version that is not posable. I believe it's $169. But I will leave links down below if you guys are interested. In my opinion, this is like a really affordable option if you want a silicone hand. You know, I would love to be able to, you know, get one of Poochie's, but like, you know, $600 is just like too much for me right now. So after forming the nail with the Pixie Pink, I'm just gonna go in and encapsulate with clear acrylic. moving on to the ring fingernail, I'm just showing you guys how I apply the nail forms. It's easier if you apply alcohol or dehydrator to the skin of the silicone hand first. It makes it a lot easier for the nail form to stick to the silicone skin. So after applying the dehydrator, I go ahead and let that dry, and then I apply the nail form and I reinforce it with Scotch tape. And I still kind of have to hold it in place, but once I get my acrylic onto the nail and it sets, it kind of helps to hold the nail form in place. So once again, I'm just going in with a thin base of clear acrylic. And then I'm taking the Pixie Pink acrylic and I'm applying that to the nail bed area and feathering it downward to create a nice ombre. So next I'm applying the orange glitter mix to the tip of the nail and creating a nice ombre tip with that. And to pick up the glitter, all I'm doing is picking up a small bead of clear acrylic and dipping it into the glitter. And that is how I'm picking up the glitter and placing it on the nail. And I just do that to form the tip. And once I have the glitter in place and it has dried, I just go in and encapsulate this entire nail with clear acrylic. Alright, so moving on to the middle finger, I'm just once again showing you guys how I apply the nail form. And starting off with that base of clear acrylic. So for the marble nail, I take a bead of rose pink acrylic and I dip that into the pixie pink and I apply that to the cuticle area just to make sure that that is nice and even first. And then I also double dip into the white and the orange acrylic and place that kind of in a slant motion, and I'm just randomly picking up wet beads of different color acrylic and kind of letting them slightly bleed into one another to create a nice marble effect. And once I'm done with the marbling, I just place some orange glitter in random spaces as well. And once that dries a little bit, I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate this nail with clear acrylic. And this is where I actually built up the nail and the strength and all of that. So as far as the hand, I did notice that it is a little small, like a small person's hand, I guess. But it's not a big deal to me. I'm still able to have enough space on the nail bed to actually work and do designs and all that good stuff. So it's a good size for me. It does seem to be a little bit smaller than the Poochie's Nails hands. So for the index fingernail, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a entire nail with the Pixie Pink acrylic. Alright, so this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And that is what I did for the thumbnail. I love the marbling on that one. So next I'm going in with the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And I'm just going to apply this to all of the nails. And as you can see, that is when all of the beautiful glitter comes to life. Oh, I just love that orange glitter. It is so gorgeous. And I also love how these marble nails came out super pretty. And I also put some gel top coat on the underside of the tip just to make that super clear. And before I cure, I'm just going to apply some iridescent crystals and this yellow crystal that I got from GearBest. The iridescent crystals are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. So I did decide to add some more crystals to the index fingernail around the cuticle area. And I'm just going to go ahead and cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I apply some cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. It is so beautiful. I really love how these turned out. I love the marbling on the thumbnail. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.